Hi everybody, welcome to another video from GlasWeld. Thank you so much for joining us. If you follow GlasWeld, you already know that we love innovation. For more than 40 years, we've been working on all kinds of projects to take rock chip repair to the next level, to make it faster and easier for our technicians who are using our tools and supplies all around the world. Some of those changes are big game changers like our onyx resin, and others are more finite, the smaller details that can make a big difference in your day-to-day work. So today I'm excited to show you two new product improvements to products that you likely use every day or every week. All right, so let's show you the first new product improvement, and that is in conjunction with our tripod design. Now, if you know GlasWeld tools, you've seen this before, but we have made some pretty significant improvements to the suction cup, which we think will make the process a lot easier to use. Now, unlike the previous version of the suction cup where you had to use a probe or your fingernail or some other tool to release them from the glass in some cases, we've designed some handy little lift tabs in 3 strategic spots around each suction cup to make it really easy to remove it from the glass. We've also softened the rubber slightly to make it easier to adjust on the glass so that you can use less suction cup sealant, or in some cases, maybe none at all if you don't have any with you. So let me show you how to use that real quick. We'll just put it right on the glass just with the same technique as we would previously with the older suction cups. But now, simply by using our thumb like this, we can just kind of place a little bit of pressure against those lift tabs and kind of lift like so. That's it to release the suction cups. Or if you prefer, you can use sort of a pinching technique where you take 2 fingers and just grab the tab and pull it off the glass. So super easy to use, and again, super adjustable too. Once you get it on the glass, because of that softer rubber, we can make some micro adjustments on the glass even without suction cup sealant. All right, so let's show you the second product improvement that we've come up with to make things easier and faster for you. If you haven't seen this tool before, I want to introduce it to you. We call it the corner edge extension. It's been out on the market for a number of years already, and the core function of this tool is just to allow you to use it in conjunction with the tripod when you have repairs along the edges or corner of the windshield. You can also use it for long crack repair. But we've recently added a new feature to this tool that allows it to be used for a completely different purpose as well. You notice that the new version of this has a small tapered hole right in the middle of the center of that corner edge extension tool. So let me show you what that's for. Now, how many times has this happened to you where you're working on somebody's vehicle and the repair you're working on is in the very center of the windshield, and you're reaching out over the windshield trying to make sure that you're perfectly aligned with it before you load your injector, before you put your UV blocker on and all of that. This little tool will now make that possible just with that simple little hole there. So now you can use it just as a centering tool. So in this situation, we have a rock chip here in the middle of the windshield. I can pull my corner edge extension, also centering tool, and snap it into place just like so. And I don't need to adjust any of the leveling screws or anything, because all I'm going to use this for is in conjunction with the probe to reach out over the windshield and ensure that I'm dead center on the impact point of that rock chip repair. If I am, great, then I can pull this out and mount my zoom injector. If I'm not, well then I can make some micro adjustments and then check it again and make sure that I'm dead center. So one simple feature that we've added to the corner edge extension to turn it into a centering tool, we think will really help you to work through your day in a more efficient way, easier and faster. The little things matter when it comes to windshield repair. Thank you so much for tuning into this video from GlasWeld. As you can see, we're all about innovation. We love innovation. Even the details matter, and we hope that you'll really enjoy these 2 new product updates that we showed you today. Now, if you want to stay up to date on all the latest things from GlasWeld, the techniques and tools and tips and tricks that we bring, please follow us on our social media channels, and also consider becoming a GlasWeld certified technician at GlasWeld.com. Through that program, you'll get ongoing updates on an annual basis to ensure that you're always ahead with the latest techniques and the latest tips on how to improve your repairs and become more efficient and a better professional. So thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.